So complementary infinitives are infinitives that are used to complete the verb. And when it comes to identifying complementary infinitives, there are a few tests that you can run to see the distinction between the usual infinitive and a complementary infinitive. So the first one is the infinitive replaceable with a pronoun? We can use the example from the book, Sally tried to sprint to third base. Here, to sprint to the third base is the noun infinitive, and you see that it can be replaced by it, so just Sally tried it would make sense, as opposed to Sally used to sprint to third base, which wouldn't make sense if you just replaced the infinitive with it, and that's what makes it a complementary infinitive. The second test is, can you move the infinitive or insert an order to before it? You can also ask, does it follow or modify an adjective? And the third one is, does it follow or modify a noun? So basically, if the answer was no to the last three questions, that it cannot be an infinitive used as a noun, adjective, or an adverb, then it would be a complementary infinitive. We can also remember that complementary infinitives usually form idiomatic expressions. So the first example is, the festival is going to start in a few hours. Is going to start is the infinitive. And you see that it doesn't serve either as a noun, adjective, or an adverb, but that with going to plus a verb, which is start, equals the future tense of the sentence. And you also notice is going to complements the verb start, hence the complementary infinitive. So the diagram, festival is the subject, is going to start is the verb, and the modifies festival. And then in a few hours, an adverb, so it would go under the infinitive verb. Another example here is, the festival used to begin in the morning. Used to is the complementary infinitive, with begin being the main verb of a sentence. And the used to plus the verb, which is begin, gives you a repetitive past action to the sentence. And with the diagram, festival is the subject, used to begin is the verb, and in the morning is the adverb describing when.